Hyundai takes your safety as well as the safety of those around you very seriously. That's why they make several advanced parking safety systems available to their customers. The available Rear Cross Traffic Collision Avoidance Assistance, or RCCA, helps reduce the risk of collision when backing up by using radar sensors to monitor cross traffic approaching behind you. If a vehicle is detected approaching from the left or right, RCCA will alert you and may apply the brakes if appropriate. For some models, RCCA is activated via the instrument cluster. Press the menu button on the steering wheel until the vehicle status is shown in the center display. Then tap the OK button. At the bottom, you'll see a menu appear. Scroll down using the OK button to User Settings. Press OK. Scroll down to Driver Assistance, then press OK. Select Parking Safety and check the box next to Rear Cross Traffic Safety to activate the system. If your vehicle is equipped with touchscreen navigation, you will activate the system via the touchscreen. Press the Setup button. Now go to the touchscreen and select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Parking Safety. Scroll down to Rear Cross Traffic Safety and check the box next to it to activate the system. RCCA will function when the vehicle is in reverse and vehicle speed is below 7 miles per hour. It helps detect vehicles traveling between 5 and 22 miles per hour up to 65 feet away. The detection speed and range may vary under certain conditions. When an approaching vehicle is detected, it sounds a warning chime. A warning will appear on the rear camera view on the touchscreen display. Also, a warning message will appear on the LCD cluster display, and the blind spot warning indicator on the side mirror will illuminate. If the system determines that a collision with a vehicle is likely, RCCA may apply the brakes momentarily. Warning messages will be displayed on both the LCD cluster and the rear camera view on the touchscreen display. Note that brake activation by the system lasts for about 2 seconds. Be sure to apply the foot brake yourself after this occurs. Some models may offer additional features to assist in parking safety. These features can be accessed by pressing the Setup button on the dash. Now go to the touchscreen and select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Parking Safety. Checking the Parking Distance Warning Auto On box will enable the Parking Distance Warning system to automatically turn on at low speeds. Checking the Surround View Monitor Auto On box will enable the Surround View Monitor to automatically turn on at low speeds. For vehicles equipped with Reverse Parking Collision Avoidance Assist, this feature can help to prevent collisions with stationary objects when backing up at low speeds. This system has 3 settings. Active Assist means the system will warn you if it detects an imminent collision with a pedestrian or stationary object, and may also apply the brakes for up to 2 seconds to stop the vehicle momentarily. Warning only means the vehicle does not actively intervene with braking at all. It just alerts you to the presence of a pedestrian or stationary object. Off turns the system off. You may choose this selection if you have a bike rack attached to the rear of your vehicle. You should avoid placing stickers or other obstructing items over the sensor areas. Doing so may cause the system to not operate correctly. Please consult the owner's manual for info on where the sensor areas are, as well as more information on the parking safety system.